Pick my Dinkleberries.
Your Dinkleberries.
Yeah. What the fuck name? My Dinkleberries?
Bro, what are you talking about, bro?
There we go. Now you can swing it on.
Now you can.
I thought that would move it just a little bit, but...
Don't touch it, though.
I thought like I could call. I thought. Let it. Okay.
Let it.
What's good, YouTube? It's boy Pree now back with another video. Yes, sir. As you can see, we at UCF, man. We about to go around campus. But y'all stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Road to 10K. Let's get it.
You go put...
Yeah, man. Right on, ready. Yeah, man.
Who are we at drop off of this, bro?
I was damn dead. See the phone.
Shit up in here, bro. And I take.
Yeah, so right now we're there at UCF, you see me?
Yeah.
Now people them library.
Yeah. Oh, the bride and a bit being
I'm
nice.
sorry, I'm being nice outside the fuck. I can't go in, man.
I thought you wasn't gonna wave back. I was watching. I thought you wasn't gonna wave back. Okay.
Go on, learn something, man. I said, the feet done.
Go and learn something, not true?
Yeah, bro.
So I'll go and learn that thing, bro.
I said, Miss Man, I can't hold this.
They say they're friends of them dunce.
Slam. Well, the man said, jump on this pussy. Jump on this one pussy. Stone up.
Yes, I boy Pree. I was 2 Tesla charged, so I can plug them. Oh, that one I have about 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Jump up on the go. Brawling.
And that one I have 1 minute and 30 seconds. Yeah, man, I'm good, man. I don't know if you like it, but forward. Like it, cut it off.
Bumbo clot.
Cut it off. Yeah, so 5 questions, $5.
You gonna do it?
You know, I make a try.
Okay.
I make a try.
2
You
dogs.
know too much bumbo clot. Yo, bright daylight. Cool. Bright daylight, them do it.
Come on,
take out, bro. Watch out.
Yo, he's going to get what he wants.
You want food?
He going for what?
You want Chick-fil-A?
Hey, cut happening his way for sure.
Look, he got the Chipotle.
I take an empty boy.
Gone.
Well, I watch out the
don't
boy.
see that?
They watching
You don't see that?
He's not scared. Oh my God.
But yeah,
Cool
we got
grade.
5
Cool.
questions with $5.
Yo, Mario.
Yo.
Man, let's
Hey.
Alright, 1 point out.
Alright, y'all ready? 5 questions, $5.
First person to get 5 correct wins $5.
Alright.
Say the answer as quick as you can. It's okay if you get it wrong. Just keep guessing. All right.
First person win $5. I mean, 5 questions win
What kind of dog is
$5.
this?
A golden
Labrador
retriever.
Damn.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta say it fast. Oh, alright.
Hey, me over here, Labrador.
All right. She's got 1 point.
All right.
What's this?
A
Pug?
Frenchie.
Oh.
I was gonna
1.
I don't know what that
What's
read.
this?
Poodle.
A poodle. No, a labradoodle.
No.
Shih Tzu.
No.
No, that's a
Yarkie.
No.
a
Fluffy,
Maltese.
bro. I don't know what it's called, bro.
Bichon.
Bichon.
Yeah,
Oh.
we ain't know that. Yeah.
What's the name of it?
Bichon.
Bichon Frise.
Fries.
All right.
No way I was gonna ever get
What's this?
A Rottweiler.
Rottweiler.
You don't know. I know.
What's in there?
Rottweiler. Where you see the eyebrows?
Rottweiler and them
What's
things.
this?
That's a
Bloodhound.
great
Bloodhound, yeah.
Oh, you know dogs? Oh, you
Bumbo clot, bro.
Yeah, we know some of them. Just can't get the name them fast. Oh,
That's
isn't that damn. That dog was in the movie.
That's a pup.
cat dog.
Yeah, it's like which one
The
of them?
pup. A buddy.
You know what I'm saying? It's from that movie.
Beagle.
Yeah, Beagle.
It was mom's dogs. They're
there.
Maltese.
Oh, your mom got dogs like
Okay,
that?
what's
Yeah.
this?
German
That's a
Shepherd.
German Shepherd, yeah.
Yeah, I
He
that.
got one of them.
I've been waiting on that.
He got one of them.
I've been waiting on that.
3, 2, 0.
Yo, just cool now. Just cool, bro.
All right. What's this one?
That's a
Poodle.
No.
Nah. Can we get a different category?
No. We got. Oh, I got 2.
Through that
It's
shit.
hard. It's a hard one. It's a collie.
Collie.
Skip it. Okay, what's this?
A golden retriever? No.
Nah, that's a
Labrador.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's 4.
Bumbo clap,
A Labrador you
Go breed dogs, man. You talk
Ready? What's this?
Poodle.
Man, make sure you get that one there. Make sure you got that one.
For sure, man.
Alright. Ready for this? What's this one?
That's
Poodle.
a Yorkie.
A Shih Tzu. Oh,
I've been
a
seeing
Yorkie.
that all
Yeah.
day, man.
Yorkies are black and brown.
4-3.
Yeah, I think she won.
No, 4-3.
4-3.
Yeah,
Oh,
he's got
yeah,
4.
Okay, what's this one?
German
That's
Shepherd.
a no. That's a Great Dane.
No,
No.
that's a
That's the tall motherfuckers.
It's not that tall.
Yeah. Fuck.
The Great Dane is taller.
Yeah.
That's like the cousin to them boys.
What's the name of that shit again?
Skip it. Doberman.
Yeah, that's what the
Doberman?
Doberman. Yeah,
Okay, ready? What's this?
the shot tail.
Pug.
Fuck.
Yes, he
You
got
would.
That real. That real. That real.
There you go.
A real for $5.
Yo,
Bro, we appreciate you. You know what I'm saying?
we gonna buy some ice cream.
We know nothing about dogs.
Yo, how this work?
How
Yeah,
this work?
lifestyle,
Lifestyle
lavish lifestyle.
on the school
On the
campus.
school.
Yeah.
Yes, some of that. Forward. Yo. She come back.
You can't say yo.
She don't understand what's going on right now, you see it? If you start put on another accent, you see it?
A whole heap of people there up on the hammocks, man.
Everybody a text, a brother they asleep.
So my friend I come picnic. Hi, good evening. She can't hear me.
That's it.
Oh, you're up on the fast cars.
I'll get off this. I'm about to get off.
You want this hammock?
I'm about to get off.
You want the hammock?
Oh no, I have one.
You sure? Oh, you about to hang it up on a tree?
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, go ahead, let me see. Let me see how you do that. That's raw.
You got your own.
I've never even looked up a hammock before.
Oh, so it's gonna be your first time? Shit.
Y'all put it here on the spot.
You about to set it up?
I mean, we could help you if you
Yeah, we
need.
gotta see it go down.
Okay. If you guys can, thank you so much.
You're welcome. She about to hang up her own hammock between the tree
You know,
there,
we gonna
man.
help. Somebody go on YouTube real quick.
This is relaxing though.
Yeah, this really is.
Very, very relaxing though.
I know some of these people go to sleep and forgot they gotta go to class.
All right, so she just got out her hammock. Yeah, you gotta wrap it around the tree, hang it. So look, cut the area though. Take one end, hook it between that hook there, and wrap it around the tree.
Take charge.
No, because you gotta read the direction. You gotta put this through. Hold this.
Put through the hole.
Yeah,
then wrap it around.
You know how to put shit through the hole?
Then hook that one there.
Is that just a random? And put it as high as you want it. This is just a random hammock.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
was just there, empty.
It was just there.
Oh.
Yeah.
How high you want it?
We don't know what I do.
My the thick.
Full it does, raise it deep it does.
And then you take. Where's
You
the
gotta
other-
hook this
the-
part,
One of these part going first.
brother.
Yeah, I'm on there. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. How high do you want it? The first one.
Match it with
Cameraman,
this
watch out. Watch out, cameraman. Yeah, watch out.
Might they not do your works right?
one. Who wants to test it?
I'll be the test dummy.
See, it's a little too low.
Yeah.
Put it. Okay, let's put it a little higher.
Probably gotta raise this too.
Inside and out.
Gotta raise these too.
Raise this.
Yeah, raise it. Yeah, make sure
Them
this
got it.
pull this so it,
I know some charge by how I know that.
tight. Yeah. All right.
Hold on there.
Is that
that's
drop?
gold.
That one there drop? No, it's it.
A good man.
No.
Knee like a nail.
Think
That
it,
one is good.
No, I think it up on the wrong side. That's why.
Yeah, I feel like that too.
On the wrong side.
Have a
Like it
flip
went in,
over.
Like the one in, the way. I'm sorry.
Same thing, bro.
No, put it on the opposite side.
What is this?
This is a vlog. You're on YouTube right now.
Oh, on YouTube.
Yeah. You wanna shout yourself out?
Shout out CR Lions, UCF, Phil Major. Yeah,
That part.
that part.
Tyler the Creator.
Oh, big fan. Big fan.
Can't never know that brother the name in there.
You hippie?
Tyler the Creator.
What? What?
I'm asking a question.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
What is wrong with you?
Just hear that.
I'm asking a question. I mean, would you classify yourself as a hippie?
I mean, I think other people would. I don't really.
No, you just give people.
See it there? Hit that.
Good now. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, now put it on the second one and let's see.
There you go.
There we go. Now you can swing it on.
Now you can.
I thought that would move it just a little bit, but.
Just, nah, don't touch it though. Don't touch it.
When them know what them are doing, man.
Lay down, relax. So yeah, so you can get your full weight. All right, there you go. There you go. Look, there you go. You can't say we never did nothing for you.
Thank you.
So it help out people on the school campus on demand. So if you're ever there at UCF and you need help with your hammocks, just link Pree.
Bad man saying bad on the line. One chopping. Wallet, bad.
Wallet, my father.
Jackson.
Right now we got Jackson slacklining right now. Breaking news right now, live.
How you feel right now, Jackson?
Oh, I feel great.
How you do this? Like,
It's hard, but it's practice.
One leg? Oh shit.
No shoes, bro. Your shoes there, bro.
No,
you
shoes
gotta
is better
put it on. You
barefoot.
gotta put it on. Whatever.
Can you do any tricks?
On this one, I can't do any tricks. It's not bouncy enough for it.
Okay.
Yeah. But if you guys want to try it out, I got that line set up.
Yeah, I want to do it.
Yeah.
You gotta take off your shoes better without your shoes.
Can you get more
Take off
back?
your socks too. Woo! Man, you cut up yourself in there.
Put on the cup, my youth.
Which cup you with that? Eat that.
Give me cup, my dash your drinks.
Damn, bro. I'm sagging this. I don't even know it's gonna work.
Man, you bust your cut, bro.
Alright.
Just have to balance you.
Is he like them shaky, bro?
Don't make me laugh, bro.
Might stop shit like girl, my youth. Oh yeah, I do.
Bro, I'm trying to let go of the tree, bro.
Come like stick shift, bro.
Bro, I'm about to piss myself up right now. Don't make me laugh, bro. I'm trying to keep it.
Right, let go of the tree, my youth.
Let go of the tree, bro. You're good, bro.
It ain't me, bro.
You forgot.
I swear, once your weight get on it, bro, it's chill.
You have to chill, bro.
You have to put.
So how do you get on it? Like,
It's
is there like a technique you just get on it? You just
so I.
or what's
Better to
the
have like your feet forward.
walking that straight line, brother?
Damn, I missed it. Try it. Y'all gotta try it.
You know it's tough, bro. So how long it took you to learn how to do it?
Yeah.
I've been doing it on and off for about 2 years.
Oh, okay.
So like it does take like
Take a while, yeah.
it takes probably like 5.
Damn, I just realized how high that is.
That's what I'm saying.
That
What the
one.
fuck? Yeah, nah, I realized, but I'm just saying, like, for you to get up there.
Hey boy, you better post so you drop on both sides in the youth. That me I tell people them, yeah. Brawl it.
Hey, yes, eat cause dog, free dog.
What you say, nerviness?
Man,
What you wanna do, Matt?
Man, like shake it.
Wow. Acha.
I try to get some balance.
Yeah, try a tree, bro. Well, I'm on the tree, bro.
Oh, that's a cranking start. Ba 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 ba. Let it go now, no? Ba 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 boom. Let it go now. Yeah, man, you see shaking start.
Nah, that shit funny as hell, dog.
Try and look up and focus just on a singular point on the tree. So don't look at your feet. It's a bit harder to look at your feet and walk forward.
Yeah, hard when you know there's a little piece of rope, yo. Any fast move, you're dead. Boom!
What's that bomb clock? Yo.
Yo, not no good.
One step there, murder, bro. Can't make a step now. Can't make the step.
That's a can't do it.
You think you got it?
So
No, probably not.
I'm probably gonna die.
no. No. Oh. I was to say no. Ain't no way. What?
Hold on there.
Oh my gosh, this is hard. Now it makes me want to like.
Watch out.
I haven't seen you all semester. I'm walking through like a tightrope.
Moving this now. I swear it says I move. What?
Yeah.
Until the dog.
Nyam some dirt. I got nyam dirt in the idea. I know. I gotta eat some dirt.
Dog known since I'm first grade.
Are you sure you found the other one too? Like, I don't know.
I was thinking about doing that.
Do something cool too, look.
Pick my dinkleberries.
Your dinkleberries.
Yeah.
What the fuck name?
My dinkleberries?
Bro, what are you talking about, bro?
I don't know what a dinkleberry is.
He got his mic on, bro, so you know.
I know he got his mic
We
on.
don't know when name, sir, bro.
They don't even got the camera on.
Why you?
Can't turn it on. Me don't care. Me don't know what that, bro.
Bro, what you talking about, bro? Yo, see, there's one right here. There's one right here.
Yeah, but
There's one right here. Look, there's one right there.
The man that talk about dinkleberry. Look for
We got it.
The ass ain't fat enough.
Look for the youth. Look for the youth. Good.
For it, but you can say a little bit.
What you say? Dinkleberry?
Yeah, dinkleberry, man.
What that mean? Bro?
A dinkleberry?
Yeah.
Oh,
Explain.
when you don't got down, when you don't motherfucking wipe your ass and shit, you know what I'm saying? When you don't got down, when you don't motherfucking wipe your ass and shit, you know what I'm saying? It's the berries that hang out your ass.
What you forget?
It's the berries that hang out your ass.
No,
Why,
God,
bro?
God, bro.
Doo-doo? Nah, I'm from North Dakota. You talking about doo-doo? Yeah, for sure.
Stop it. Get some help.
Y'all want to say something to the camera?
Where
My homies. My homies, what they do, man? Yeah.
Oh, the Middle East.
Yeah, you know where's Dubai?
Yeah.
Near Dubai, Qatar. Qatar World Cup. You know where's the World Cup?
So tell me a little bit about where y'all from.
We're from Kuwait, from the Middle East. Yeah, it's a country in the Middle East. It's near like Qatar, near Kuwait. Sorry, near Dubai. Yeah, this up there. So we came here. We're now studying English and then going to.
When I run from police.
Your language for me, like, how do you say?
Chupa mi penga.
How do you say subscribe to my channel in your language?
Yeah, ضيف القناة.
Di fuck lala.
The fuck I got. Yeah, that. Say that again. The fuck lala. The fuck doing it.
So this is for YouTube?
Yeah, this is for my YouTube.
What's the channel? What's the name
White
of the
Pree.
channel? Can you tell me?
Yo, Alman, food in that different language, right?
What I mean?
Subscribe, make sure to subscribe and
Follow, like.
do everything.
Yeah, do it.
Also follow him on Instagram.
You're right.
Follow, like, share.
Like,
Yeah,
follow, like, share.
What?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Yeah.
You're from here?
Yeah, we're from Broward, down south.
Oh, okay.
That's like closer to Miami.
You have a UK accent.
Me? No, Jamaican.
Oh.
That's why it's not, yeah.
Yeah, oh, okay. Now I
Yeah, the people in UK, they talk just like
Yeah, they're talking now like Jamaican.
Yeah.
like more
English, Queen's English. Because of the Queen's English.
Okay.
ours broken.
Broken, yeah, ours is just broken. Yo!
Bro, that guy.
Bong Skull, yeah.
A top boy,
How do I say what's up?
Why they feel like a top boy?
Shalakaba.
Sakaba!
No, just say salam.
Salam!
Salam. Yeah, that's what it is. Salam alaikum. Yeah, that's it.
Sari! Sari!
Salam alaikum.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Walaikum salam.
Salam.
Yeah.
That's wrong, bro.
Yeah,
That's right. That's cool. With that, man, I know. Yo, what you doing, you what?
He said, fuck you.
That boy, God, man.
I say, man, them subscribe on YouTube, bro.
Watch out,
Yeah, he's a rapper.
Subscribe.
You are a rapper?
yeah, he rap.
What the fuck? Me subscribe on your field.
We just vlogging. Know what I mean? Just tell me a little bit about yourself, what you do, what your major.
Okay, I guess so, yeah.
Go ahead. You on right now.
Oh, you on that bit?
Yeah.
Oh,
I've been ready since I stopped you.
I know that.
Since I stopped you, I've been ready.
Okay, I'm Maya. I'm a kinesiology major. I want to be athletic trainer.
Athletic trainer. I see you with the Nike fit on, my dog.
I know. I just caught this bit from athletics today.
Okay.
Pants, athletic.
Okay.
Shirt,
athletic. Okay.
Socks, athletic. I better go study though.
What you finna study? Athletic. The next big artist.
Yeah, man, sir, snap a
straight
lot.
out of Broward.
On platforms, you hear that?
Make sure y'all take out your phones and tap in.
This one named Casamigos.
I need some free promo. That is really dangerous. Come here. You looking like you fucking with it. Come here. She looking like she fucking with it. You fucking with it? You fucking with it? That's my dog, Sir Snap a Lot. You gotta follow him on all platforms. Make sure you download the music. This song right here is called Casamigos. Sir Snap a Lot. That's how we do it. Fucking with it? You fucking with it? Fucking with it? Tap in, my boy. Tap in. Apple Music? Yeah, Apple Music, all platforms. Sir Snap a Lot. Outside. That's that Casamigos right there.
Sir Snap a Lot. Make sure you look one up on YouTube. Yeah.
We'll fuck with you. Alright, bro. Appreciate it. Y'all boys tap in real quick. Huh? Y'all fucking with the music? Tap in. Sir, follow him on all platforms. Apple Music.
What's his name?
Sir Snap a Lot.
Sir Snap a Lot.
Right.
Sir Snap a Lot.
There you go.
I don't got Apple Music.
Yeah. You don't got Apple?
I don't got.
SoundCloud, all platforms. It don't matter. Alright.
Hey, sir gets a lot of bitches.
There you go. There you go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, that's how you gotta do it, bro. You gotta tap in. You know what I mean? Make sure y'all boys tap in, Sir Snap a Lot. I put your dogs on. Put everybody on. If y'all know me, I put everybody on. That's it.
On the stage, and you can't be on it without a reservation.
No problem.
What you at administration?
Yeah,
Oh,
y'all can
okay.
be out there. Basically, you can operate outside of this area. There just can't be amplified sound.
All right, I respect it. We respect it. We respect it. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
No problem.
Can you guys have it gone in like 10 minutes?
Oh no, that's not ours. We just saw.
That's why we did it.
Yeah, we just saw it. We don't know. We just saw it there, and we took the opportunity.
Plugged it in and just started.
Yeah, we just took the opportunity.
Well, thank you. I'm sorry.
You're welcome.
You're good.